Thank you all so much for coming today to our year-end celebration. The kids have worked very hard on putting together a medieval quest for your entertainment today. So let the show begin.
Welcome, friends and parents, to the wassookeag Middle Ages adventure! I am the bard, and I will tell you a tale of knights, demons, and gods! And my favorite, fairies. Before we start, I feel I must explain a bit about our adventure. This rowdy band of knights will be exploring all over the middle of Europe. From our castle in the Balkans to the forest of Bavaria. From the cave of Jutland to the south of Spain. Titania, the queen of the fairies, Rosina, the pink fairy, and have graciously agreed to transport you throughout Europe so that you can see the trials and tribulations of our heroes. Audiences of the Middle Ages were loud and ferocious, driven by need. Feel free to cheer and cheer.
Huzzah! Huzzah!
Huzzah!
And participate in our hero's tale. Oh, now to the story. Okay. Morgan travels to the South Pacific to track down Odin on a well-deserved vacation. Odin and Morgan plot trouble for the prince, Johnson, and the sons of ingwas. The gods demand loyalty and tribute. The sons of ingwas will learn this lesson.
Yet again, my lord. We give the sons of ingwas an early start of summer, and they cannot even offer up an old cow to the gods. Do we not deserve thanks? They will not give thanks willingly. We will make them pay. They will learn to respect the gods. I agree. I will avenge us. I will poison the air to the throne. I will send them on a long and perilous journey. And at the end, perhaps they shall find the cure. Or die trying. Thank you, that sounds like a nice idea.
He leaves. Here in his castle, his son, Prince Johnson! And his most trusted band of knights.
Whoa, is the world spinning? Am I in Oz? Yay! We're out to see the...
Oh no.
Thor, come help us protect our prince.
Prince Johnson has been poisoned by the madness Lysa virus. You have ignored the gods. No offering at Beltane. We bring you the gift of water and sun early. The gifts that bring you crops and a good harvest. And you treat us with disrespect. I will not stand for it. As it stands, you will not have a good year. I will keep the sun and the rains from your fields unless you prove your worth, your loyalty to the gods of Azir. Find the cure and the gifts of Beltane before the fear of water sets in, or you shall suffer the madness of the evil puppies of doom. The fruit you have ignored will save you all.
They can come here.
Magical ruins, magical ruins, magical ruins.
Only Psycho-Frank that has the key. Come with me, come with me, come with me. How can I read these?
Oh, here, take my jewels. You're my son.
I get them.
Oh, here, you.
When the bell rings, it's a pause. They're moving through their adventure. Your fairies are going to take you where you need to go as you need to go there.
Come with you?
Now we're talking. So pretty, so shiny. What a set. There is a sacred, here's the sacred book of ruins. And the light will guide you. So you to the cure, save the harvest, and save the harvest. The scroll. So where do we put this? Keep it. We want to keep it. 30 Birch Heritage Estate.
Bard. I bet none of you saw me. I was labeled so good in hide and seek when I was a kid that nobody even looked for me. Okay. Many believe the forest of Bavaria is the home of Yggdrasil, the tree of life, the guardian of the treasure of the Goths. The ancient birch, oak, and ash hide our house, the dreaded Sordio.
Why should I help you? What do I care for your prince? Sordio, look. Shiny necklace. She's right here. The shiny necklace. Oh, that is a pretty necklace you have there, Lady Knight. It would be a pity to waste such a fine thing a short and immortal life such as yours. Oh no, not my necklace! I failed the dragon. Sarian and made this necklace from her treasure. But Prince Johnson must find the cure. Now lead us to the treasure. What's that thing? Am I supposed to go upstairs? We sit that now.
A quest for a chest and a chest?
Oh. That's the best kind of quest.
For a guest.
I'm out.
Like the rest.
Who'd have guessed?
My behest.
Build in your hands, your feet. Cast your swords aside, abandon your shields. Give me a shoe for a glue. Oh, sing everybody. Sing my shoe.
Fairies to the next part of our adventure.
Rosiana, please come help us. We need your help. We are stuck in this icy cave. We must get out of this and save. Wait. We must get out and save our prince.
Liberated the demons.
Oh.
And now it's your
Yay! We're saved.
The great god of thunderstorm traveled to the cave, to the land of... that is ice and snow to help the sons of ingwas save Prince Johnson.
Go to
What? No drink. Brave knights, you have shown valor battling almost no swords, no shields, and only one shoe. I see how devoted you are to the sons of ingwas. Remember too your devotion to the gods. The scrolls you hold there a fourth message, a secret message in finest fairy glitter. Tatiana, queen of the fairies, take care of my nightly.
There she is now. See,
Sorry,
it's done.
God.
It's still in here.
Take care of my nighty friends. Help them read the hidden fairy glitter. Thor, god of thunder, I will guide the bands of knights as they adventure. I will care for them and protect them. You have surely worked upon appetites, brave knights. Take these gifts, but share well with humans and gods alike.
Okay, follow the fairies. Follow the fairies. Back to the stage.
That's the third one. You guys are missing.
The second one. I see the second one. I see it. I see one.
We don't need to help them translate now.
I see some. I see some. Here, what? Well, outside. I don't know where my shoe is. I need the scroll. I need my shoe. It's going on.
volcano tomato and is bringing it to Prince Johnson and has one final word to say as we part.
The gifts of sun and water are precious. The sons of ingwas must never forget the celebration of Beltane ever again. Sacrifice to the Azir gods and you will have a good year, a good harvest. Enjoy the months of warm sun and we will reunite at Alban Elflet.
Which is the autumnal equinox when we get back together.
You can have a pretty bottle of Gatorade.